let's make it. First, we are going to delete everything and add a plane. Actually, we are going to add an amateur and a human model just to get the idea, the size idea. Yeah. So now, let's download this shoe first. Drag and drop this. Okay, so this is pretty small. I guess this is decent. Yeah. So let me just set up the whole thing. Okay, now we are going to add the texture. Yeah, the texture on this plane. This one. It's 8K for no reason. Okay, this is heavy. This is heavy as well. We need this. We need them to be small. This will work. Okay, so let's see with the lighting. It is pretty, pretty flat. It obviously won't look as good as his, but yeah, let me just try whatever I can do with a limited time and don't know basically how to how to do 3D and all. Okay, this is not helping. Okay, how can I do the blip? Okay, it's look pretty nice, I guess. Let's just see in render mode. I guess let me just remove the displacement. I'll just 0.5. It might work. It's still pretty flat, I guess. Why this shoe is in focus and this is not? Am I doing something wrong? See, why? What if I just what if I add a plane, an empty, I guess. Just move it right here and I make this okay, now it's good. Now we are talking. Nice. Ratio. Okay, I actually want this kind of blur, but okay, 90, no 90, 45, no 45, but I'm doing, I don't know. Okay. Does it look good? We should render a part of it now. We should do that. Film gain. It's pretty high right now. Let's do 10. Smooth, yes. Smooth will work. Size. Okay. A very little bit of what does it do? Okay. Chromatic aberration. We don't want this. No, just a little bit. We don't need this. Do we need glow or something? Okay, so this is how it turns out. Not so good. I mean, it is pretty clean. I guess we have to do something. What if I add a plant? Just a little bit. Yeah, it's fine. Uh, to make it smaller, let's play with the HDRI. I guess that can help. Now, we need something interior. No, this can work. Please work. Oh no, shit. This. Nah, this. Okay, finally we got something that looks similar to it now. Have a green tint like of thing. Okay, so this or this I guess. Okay, so I don't think I can improve it, uh, you know, anymore. So I'm just going to add a camera shake. Let me see it in here how it look. Okay, too much. That might work. Yeah. This is perfect.